This year's SHOT Show has introduced a wide range of new options in the 9mm category, making the choice of a daily carry handgun in 2025 more challenging than ever. With over 100 models on the market, many offering nearly identical performance, identifying the true standout isn't easy. However, when looking at sales numbers and overall popularity, some handguns clearly have the upper hand. Some models that have dominated for years may be replaced by newer options, but that's not always the case. This remains a fiercely competitive market where manufacturers continuously innovate to stay ahead. Today, we're diving into the top concealed carry handguns that are leading the game based on sales, popularity, and real-world performance. When it comes to the Glock 43X MOS, I've got to say, this little powerhouse proves that even in a crowded concealed carry market, there's still room for standouts. Sure, the compact carry segment might feel oversaturated at this point, but the 43X MOS doesn't just blend in, it commands attention. Part of its appeal lies in the Glock name. That reputation for reliability and ruggedness is a major draw. But branding aside, this gun genuinely delivers, often outperforming competitors, both in its price range and above it. For those who think it's just another Glock, let me break down why the 43X MOS deserves a second look. As part of Glock's Gen 5 lineup, the modular optics system version of the 43X benefits from all the upgrades you'd expect from a 5th-gen Glock. There are no finger grooves, which is great for comforts, and it features interchangeable backstraps, a marksman barrel, and improved sights and triggers. Size-wise, the 43X MOS strikes a perfect balance for concealability and shootability. It's about 6 inches long, 1 inch wide, and 3.4 1 inches tall, weighing roughly 23 ounces unloaded. The 10-round magazine capacity is slimline-friendly while still offering decent firepower. Plus, its front slide serrations make manipulating the slide much easier compared to the original Glock 43. However, let's talk about the rail. It's not a Picatinny-style rail, so your options for weapon lights and lasers might be limited. Make sure to double-check compatibility before committing to accessories. It feeds everything I've thrown at it, FMJs, hollow points, you name it, with zero hiccups. Its accuracy is on point for its size, and the grip ergonomics are a game changer. Unlike the original G43, the 43X feels just right in my hands, giving me better control and tighter shot groups. Now, I'll be honest, the factory sights and trigger are functional, but like most Glock owners, you'll probably want to explore aftermarket upgrades to really elevate this pistol. All right, let's start with the Walther PDP Compact. With so many compact pistols on the market, the PDP Compact takes something special to stand out. But after putting some rounds through this pistol, I quickly realized why it's earned such a loyal following since its 2021 debut. Whether you're law enforcement or a civilian looking for a reliable concealed carry option, this gun checks all the boxes, and then some. The PDP Compact features a 4-inch barrel and a shorter grip frame, which houses a 15-round magazine. Right away, the grip design stood out to me. It feels natural in the hand, with interchangeable backstraps to fit any size, and the texture provides just the right amount of grip. Secure without tearing into your palm during long-range sessions. It's a thoughtful balance that makes rapid follow-up shots a breeze. The trigger's one of the best parts of this gun. Walther's Performance Duty trigger offers a crisp break and a short reset, and honestly, it feels like it belongs on a much higher-priced pistol. This trigger is a game changer, making accurate follow-ups feel second nature, whether you're at the range or in a high-pressure scenario. The slide is another standout feature. The deep serrations on the front and rear make racking it effortless, even in less than ideal conditions. And if you're into optics, which, let's be real, most of us are these days, the PDP Compact is optics ready with mounting points for red dot sights. Walther even includes a free adapter plate with your purchase, a solid bonus that makes customization straightforward. But what really sets the PDP Compact apart is its modularity. Walther designed the PDP line to be versatile, allowing you to swap out slides and frames to fit your preferences or mission requirements. Different barrel lengths, grip sizes, you name it, this platform has it covered. As we head into 2025, the Walther PDP Compact remains one of my top recommendations for anyone looking for a concealed carry pistol that's reliable, ergonomic, and endlessly customizable. Now, don't get me wrong, the Walther PDP compact steel frame might be the superior shooter on paper, but when it comes to everyday carry, the Hellcat Pro OSP just gets the job done better. And I'm not the only one who feels this way. Plenty of folks I know have made this their go-to concealed carry piece. This gun is one of the few pistols that nails the balance between concealability and shootability. It packs a 15-round magazine, just like the compact Walther, but it's smaller, lighter, and more carry-friendly. At about 20 ounces unloaded with a 3.7-inch barrel, it's compact without sacrificing performance. And let me tell you, this thing handles 9mm loads like a champ. Even in rapid fire, the recoil is surprisingly manageable. The OSP part of its name is another big win. The slide comes optics ready, right out of the box. And even with a red dot mounted, the gun stays lightweight and balanced. Plus, Springfield's low optic cut means you can still co-witness with the tritium iron sights, something not every optics-ready pistol offers. I genuinely believe the Hellcat Pro OSP has some of the best grip ergonomics in the micro-compact category. Compared to the Glock 43 XMOS or the SIG P365 XL, the Hellcat's grip just feels more substantial, bigger, grippier, and with a lower grip angle that naturally lowers the bore axis. What does that mean in real-world use? Is better recoil control and quicker follow-up shots. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the trigger is just okay. It's an all-steel design, but it has that same feel you get from Glock triggers. But honestly, that's a small gripe for a pistol that ticks so many boxes. Next up, let's talk about the Konik TP9 Elite SC, a handgun that's quietly proving itself as a top-tier choice in the concealed carry category. While everyone is buzzing about Konik's new releases like the MC9L and MC9LS, I think the TP9 Elite SC deserves more of the spotlight. This striker-fired semi-auto 9mm measures 6.7 inches long with a 3.6-inch barrel. It's compact, but still packs plenty of power, offering a standard capacity of 12+1 rounds and an extended magazine option that brings it up to 15+1. For its size, it's surprisingly versatile. The optics-ready slide and Picatinny rail make it a great option for customization, whether you're attaching a red dot or adding accessories like a light or laser. The sights are simple yet effective. A white dot front sight and a fully blacked-out rear sight. It comes with 3 interchangeable backstraps to adjust the grip to your hand size, making it a great fit for shooters of all kinds. On the range, this little guy delivers. I've tested it with both hollow points and FMJs, and it performed flawlessly without any issues. It's accurate up to 25 yards, especially when paired with a red dot. And while it's a bit thicker than some micro compacts, that added bulk translates into a full, comfortable grip that feels fantastic in hand. Now let's talk about the trigger. Honestly, it's one of the best features of this pistol. There's a small amount of travel, but it breaks crisply and resets quickly, giving you excellent control for consistent, accurate shots. Bonus points. The trigger is perfectly positioned, so you won't have to adjust your grip mid-shoot. It's a reliable, accurate, and comfortable carry option that punches well above its weight. If it's not on your radar yet, it definitely should be. If I could fill my entire arsenal with just P365, I probably would. These micro-compact pistols have taken the concealed carry market by storm ever since the original P365 strutted onto the scene, effectively upping the noise level for double-stack micro 9mm pistols. Since its launch, the SIG P365 has pushed other manufacturers to catch up, sparking a revolution in the concealed carry a handgun market. The P365 X Macro TAC Ops sports a slightly larger grip module than the SIG P365 models, nudging it into the compact category while still keeping that slim, carry-friendly profile. A whopping 17-round magazine capacity, outclassing many rivals in this size category. The fine stipple texture on the grip strikes the perfect balance, secure without being too rough, and you get interchangeable backstraps to customize the fit. Whether you've got small or bare-sized hands, this pistol has you covered. But you know what? This version decided to skip the integral compensator party that the original X macro brought along, and there's a good reason for that. Compensators can help dampen recoil like a fluffy pillow, but they also send gas upward, which introduces an ear-piercing blast to the mix. A happy medium is what we want here. The reality is the X macro has a bit more kick than the P365 XL, thanks to that compensator, but the take ops keeps things nice and manageable. It's a tad heavier than the P365 XL, which aids in recoil management, like a trusty sidekick in a buddy cop movie. Plus, the grip on this gem can accommodate both medium and small hands, while still cradling my big old hands comfortably.